I hated dancing till I met you. It never found me until I felt your arms around me. This craze for dancing, I loathed it too, but now I've got it badly, rather badly, just 'cause I met you. My car will meet her, and her mother comes too. It's a two-seater, still her mother comes too. And when they're visiting me, we finish afternoon tea. She loves to sit on my knee, and her mother does too. We buy her trousseau, and her mother comes too. Ask not to do so, still her mother comes too. She simply can't take a snub. I go and sulk at the club, then have a bath and a rub, and her brother comes too. Fancy our meeting, or just one fond greeting, where days are so fleeting and pure. Paradise seeming, with no thought of scheming, a dream worth the dreaming come true. Fancy our meeting when days are so fleeting, for just one fond greeting, we two. Who stole my heart away? Who makes me dream all day? Dreams I know can never be true. Seems as though I'll never be blue. Who means the happy end? Who would answer yes to? Well, you ought to guess who. No one, not you. Bluebirds love to other bluebirds, but those two untrue birds have flown. High on a treetop, this lonely pair, taking the air, right on to care, true to each other like sister and brother, but somehow they feel all alone. They miss the two birds who've been untrue. That's why those bluebirds are blue. Good night, Vienna, you city of a million melodies. Our hearts are thrilling through the strings that you play from dawn till the daylight dies. Good night, Vienna, where moonlight fills the air with mysteries, and eyes are shining to the gypsy guitars that sing to the starry skies. Enchanted city of Columbine and Theodore, we know the magic of your spell. Of our romances you're the hero. Now is the time to say farewell. Good night, Vienna. Now lovers kiss beneath your linden trees. The world is waiting on the edge of the day, just waiting to say good night. Cause you see, it's not you, it's not you. She's a lovely girl, it's not you. Oh, her nose, what a prize. Realize it's no bridge of size, it's not you. Long years ago, nature took a monkey and turned him into man. She smiles upon him sweetly, and he goes back when he began. Though it's not you, she's a catch, what a catch, and her two eyes match. It's not you. There's always tomorrow to bring us a smile. Maybe we should borrow that port for a while. Oh, then we'll both remember that life is not a game. We'll bend the dying board and coax it into flame. Tomorrow we'll borrow a part from a song to capture the rapture of days that are gone. Or when we're reunited, we'll have what is to say to